The XRE00250 error on your Xfinity Flex device is a network connectivity issue that prevents you from accessing content. This error code appears when there's a communication breakdown between your device and Comcast servers. This error typically indicates a problem with network connectivity or signal strength. The primary cause is your Flex device's inability to establish or maintain a stable connection to Xfinity's content delivery network. Secondary causes can include local network issues, problems with the device's firmware, or even service outages in your area. Now let's address the immediate solution. Your first step should be a simple restart. This basic troubleshooting method resolves the majority of XRE00250 errors by allowing the device to re-establish its connection. Step 1. Unplug your Xfinity Flex device from the power outlet. Make sure to completely disconnect the power cable. Step 2. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the device to fully power down and clear any temporary connection issues. Step 3. Plug the device back in and give it 2 to 3 minutes to completely reboot. The device needs time to reconnect to the network and load all services. Step 4. Once the device has restarted, check if the error is resolved and if you can access Xfinity's services. In many cases, this simple restart will fix the XRE00250 error. If the problem persists after restarting your Flex device, try restarting your network equipment. Power cycle your modem and router in sequence, waiting 2 minutes between restarting each device. This ensures your entire network connection is refreshed. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of XRE00250 errors. The device restart is your first and most effective solution, while network equipment restart addresses more persistent connectivity issues. When a simple restart doesn't resolve the XRE00250 error, the next step is investigating your internet connection. We'll examine both wired and wireless connections systematically. For wired connections, start by ensuring your Ethernet cable is securely connected and undamaged. Check both ends of the cable and look for any visible damage like kinks or bent connectors. For wireless connections, verify you're using the correct Wi-Fi credentials and check your signal strength. Signal strength is measured in dBmers, with more negative numbers indicating weaker signals. Test both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to determine which performs better in your environment. The 2.4 GHz band has longer range but more interference, while 5 GHz offers faster speeds with shorter range. If connection quality isn't the issue, consider performing a factory reset. Navigate to Settings, then Device Settings, then Power Preferences. Select Restart and hold the OK button for 10 seconds during boot. Ensure your device firmware is up to date by enabling automatic updates or manually checking for updates in device settings. Firmware updates often resolve connectivity issues and improve performance. For persistent issues, follow a systematic approach. Prioritize physical connection verification before software troubleshooting, assess network infrastructure, and consider professional installation review when problems continue.